This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
A brilliant piece of content by Sean Ellis. Sean Ellis, by the way, if you don't know, he is the one who have come up with growth hacking term and started this growth hacking, I think, way back in 2010. Now, Uber's extraordinary growth engine is what this video is all about. You can actually get this in growthhacking.com website. It's free to download as well. Let's look at what actually Uber have done to in order to grow a very, very high growth in very less time. First launched in San Francisco. Tech early adopters. San Francisco have spotty cab service, event sponsorship, and strong word of mouth. Repeatable Uber growth engine. Now, very first intense city by city launches. So they have a very intense strategy to go city by city and offering free rides. Experiential word of mouth and wow experience. Let's look at this in a little bit more in detail. Now, city by city rollout formula, that is tailor unique approach to each city. Now, each city would have free rides, and what they have done is you could actually, once you take Uber and you download the Uber app and order for the Uber cab or service, and while you are actually in the cab, you can actually share. And there is also some monetary value to it, some $30 or something to sign up. You can actually send it to your friends and share it on social media. And whosoever will actually use it, they will get some benefit out of that. So that is one growth hacking technique they've used. Similarly, free rides for referrals. So referring is double-sided. That means if you share Uber, you will, as I said, get $30 to sign up, and all you have to do is tweet or text or email or share right inside the app. Wow experience. This is what obviously your users are looking for, and the quality of the product. Now, initial days when we used to order cab, used to pay, there were a lot of trouble in paying them cash and then returning the cash and taking the change back. But in this, obviously, its payment is automatic, and they have a very good service by arriving, which will say like it will take 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and then the cab will be there, right there for you in front of your house or wherever you have ordered the cab. Impress your friends, so spread the word experientially. What they have done is obviously, if you like the service, you will go with word of mouth. So word of mouth is the growth hacking technique they have used. And extensively, they have actually done a lot of sponsorship in nightlife, holidays, weather, sports. And as you can see at the back, they have sponsored events. So event is something that, people are going to parties and nightlife. And Uber has come to rescue because obviously you can't drive, and then people are enjoying the nightlife, and they use Uber as a service right at your doorstep. So a really, really disruptive idea, and really, really growth, very high level of growth and scalability for Uber. Okay, so this is it for this video for growth hacking, Uber hack. I will see you in the next one coming up very soon. Bye for now.